Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by prioritizing safety. Wear eye protection and nitrile gloves and perform the job outdoors or in a well-ventilated garage to avoid refrigerant exposure. Confirm your Subaru WRX uses R134A refrigerant and locate the low-pressure service port near the accumulator or evaporator inlet. The low port has a plastic cap labeled L or low. Inspect hoses, fittings, and the condenser for visible oil stains. Use a soap solution or an electronic leak detector to check for leaks before adding refrigerant. With safety checked, attach a calibrated low side gauge and a purpose-built refrigerant can tap to the low-pressure service port. Do not connect to the high side. Start the engine, set the A/C to the coldest temperature and highest fan speed, and let the compressor engage. At about 70 degrees F ambient temperature, aim for a low side pressure between 25 and 45 psi. Add refrigerant in short 5-10 second bursts from 12-14 Oz R134A cans while watching the gauge and cabin temperature. Stop frequently to avoid overcharge. Complete the recharge carefully by tracking how many ounces you added and aiming for a total system charge of about 22 to 28 ounces of R134A for most WRX models. Consult the vehicle sticker for exact capacity. Watch compressor cycling. If the compressor runs continuously or pressures exceed recommended ranges, stop immediately and seek professional service. After charging, run the A/C for 10-15 minutes. Verify the vent air temperature approaches 40 degrees F under warm ambient conditions, and recheck fittings with soap or a leak detector.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.